Welcome back. When you're working with HTML pages, you may want to place a notation to make sure that you either communicate to the person who's going to be editing your page or so that you'll remember exactly what you did. And you can do that by using comment tags. And if we go inside of our text, we can place comment content inside of our HTML page that will be visible inside of the code but won't be visible to the person looking at the page. So for example, we can write in here the open bracket, then we'll place in the exclamation point, then we'll place in 2 dashes, and what we can do then is we can write in any comment that we want to write in. Once we've written in the comment that we want, we can then write in the back closing tag and put in our bracket, and then we have our content in. And what you're going to notice is that this content does not appear on our page. So let's say, for example, we want to make sure that we note in here that we put in break tags instead of paragraph tags. So in that case, we can come in to a particular line. We can then put in our open tag. We can put in our exclamation point, our 2 dashes, and then we can write in our commentary. Once we do that, we'll just write in 2 dashes, our closing bracket, and then you'll notice there that we have our comment. However, that comment does not appear inside of our page. You do want to be careful that you don't have any additional tags that will appear in here. We're going to make sure to take out this paragraph tag, and then we will not have any additional spacing. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.